Today is June the 9th. We're at the Santana Zoo with Kai, Shea, and Tori. And they're going around and around and around and around. And there's Auntie Shine Shine. There's Uncle Scooter. Hello.
Hello.
Here we go, guys. Hi, everybody. Spin, baby, spin. And there they go. They come back around and around and around and around. There's a hummingbird.
Spin.
Hi guys, spin, baby, spin. No fair, huh? Only Tori's spinning. Actually, Kai and Shea are smart ones.
Shea. Okay, well, she should come slow down.
Spin, baby, spin. They won't let me.
Avery Marie. Well, I can't remember like what if you can tell Shea to focus on something. I don't know. You guys okay? Kai, you okay? Everybody okay? You're not okay? Okay.